Here we have some footage of a very disturbing voice asking to be let inside this person's house.
Let me in. Please.
The audio loops with a flat, unsettling plea, "Let me in," while something scratches and knocks on the back door. No one ever crosses the lens, yet a faint, human-shaped shadow sits in the lower right corner for the entire clip. That contradiction set viewers arguing. Some say it proves a setup, others warn it could be someone with bad intentions testing the house and urge caution. As of now, there's no confirmation of what the footage actually captured, only a voice, a shadow, and a lot of unanswered